In this video, we'll show you how to change the rear shocks on your Chevy Silverado. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Chevy Silverado safely. Brush the screw of the shock foot and spray it with penetrating oil. Unscrew the shock foot nut using a ratchet, a 21mm socket, and a 21mm wrench to prevent the bolt from rotating. Then remove the bolt. Brush the shock upper holding screw and spray it with penetrating oil. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Next, using the same tools, loosen the shock's upper retaining bolt. Remove the shock. You can now clean where the bolts go with the wire brush and brake cleaner to make installing them easier. You can order the rear shocks used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take your new shock. Insert the shock starting from the top part. Screw the bolt back in roughly by hand. You can then screw the bolt back in using a ratchet. Use a large flathead screwdriver to pry the shock foot into place. Now you can replace the bolt of the shock foot, then screw the nut back on by hand. Screw the shock foot nut back on until it makes contact, using a ratchet, a 21mm socket, and a 21mm wrench to prevent the bolt from rotating. Finish tightening the shock attachments with a torque wrench. You can now rest your vehicle on the ground. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.